Here are a few of the features that are available in the Article Writer program. I've been using this for quite some time myself, but I've added additional features in order to make it more appealing and to give you additional options. When you click on New Project, the first thing that will happen is a little box will come up here. You save the name of your new project. I'll just call it Test. And you choose how many words that you want. I'll have it default to 100 words. And create. It's ready for me to start writing. I'll use test article as my article. Now what you have is you have an area where you have your different article titles on the right. You can create a new article, delete articles, and duplicate this article. This is especially handy if you're doing multiple articles using the same keyword and URLs, where you can just duplicate the same thing by clicking that button multiple times. If you have a keyword of dog training, and it doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase, and then a URL of dogtraining.com. Over here to the right, you can insert the keyword into the article by clicking on this button. As you see, it just inserted it automatically. You can copy it to your clipboard. Down here, this little blue button opens the URL in a browser, and this copies the URL onto your clipboard. So let's get rid of this. And of course, you can edit the article title by clicking that and then editing it. And then it shows up here, as you see, on the upper right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type a short article. I'll pause the video while I do that. Okay, I just typed an article that really doesn't make any sense. But if you'll notice, when I typed the keyword 1, it showed up in red. The same thing will happen for keyword 2 and keyword 3 if they existed. Down here in the lower left, it's keeping a running count of how many words are in the article, characters with spaces and without spaces. And since we have it set at 100, which you could set it at anything that you wanted, and we're at 89, the next word that I type, notice that the text changes color to gold. That lets you know that you're within 10 words of the end of the article. And when you reach 100 words, which is your target words, the article turns green to let you know that you are there. If you want to look at it without the colors, you can just click on this button and it'll change it to all black. Or you can change it back again with another click of a button. You can change the font size up. You can make it as small as you want. A lot of times if I know that I'm going to be doing 100-word articles for, say, for Linkvana or something similar to that, then I'll make it large so that I also know that when I get close to having the box filled up, then I'm close to my target words as well. The program has an auto-save feature. It saves every 60 seconds. That can be turned on and off with this checkbox here. It also automatically hyperlinks all of the keywords whenever you save the article by clicking the Save button, which can also be turned on and off. You can either do it that way, or you can click the link button and it automatically hyperlinks the keyword so that that's ready for upload to a website. Across the top of the program are some fairly basic functions: creating a new project, opening an existing project, deleting an existing project. You can save the project. You can also save it as a different word. You can export the articles to text files, which when you click on that button, I'll call it dog training. Then it will save all the files as dog-training001.txt, dog-training002.txt, and so on. and it'll also give you the opportunity to choose where on your desktop you would like to save that. Under the little Tools drop-down menu, you can open the project folder in order to access it quickly. There's a research box that's built into the program, and it's resizable. It always stays on top of any window that is open, so you can easily type in any research that you have and have it available off to the side so that you can check your research at a glance in order to include that information into your article. And that's saved with the project, the article project. One other thing that I had built into it for those of you that use systems such as Linkvana is a quick submit button, and this also stays on top all of the time, and you can copy the article title, copy the article body, and paste it into the web pages where you're submitting your articles, and then you can scroll through your articles and it'll give you the article title and whether it's number 3 of 5, the next one's 4 of 5, and so forth. One other feature that I have in the article writer project so far, which I really enjoy, is this little plus down here. Now what this does is it gives you the ability to prepare articles for spinning, for lack of a better word, in such programs as One-Way Links and Unique Article Wizard. Let's say, for example, you wanted to spin the word short. You click the plus button and this box would come up. You could do long, strong, hard. I'm just making these up. I mean, you would probably take more time, but then insert it into the article. You can even leave it blank by just inserting a blank in, and it will insert a little pipe at the end, and it inserts it right into the article for you so that it's ready for upload. And there's several different places that use this format whenever it submits articles to multiple places, and I thought that it would be convenient to have that in there as well. I'm continuing to work with the programmer to add additional features, and it's free for you to update to any upgrades that may come out in the future. Once you buy it one time, it's yours forever.